Hello friends and welcome back. Today we are getting ready to go to Sam's. We're gonna be doing a Sam's shop with me and also a grocery haul. So we are getting ready for Katie's graduation coming up on Saturday, and then we have Gary's mom coming to stay with us. So we're going to go and get some of the things that we've run out of and some things that we'll need while she's here.
Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown, your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me.
All right, we are back from Sam's. I'll give you a little Sam's haul. We have laundry running behind me, so that's what the thumping is. I'll go ahead and show you what we got at Sam's. Starting over here, we got a pack of Clorox wipes because we were getting low on those. Got some soap. This is the sensitive skin, and if you like Dove soap, they have a much better price at Sam's. For like, this huge pack will last us like probably 6 months or more. Then the makeup wipes, I like these for getting off mascara. Some of this Olive Garden dressing, we use this a lot for marinating chicken. And then some avocado oil. If I can find it at Sam's, which I usually can, this is the best buy that I can find on this much avocado oil. And I pretty much just cook with avocado oil instead of other oils. I was gonna try to do an easy supper tonight because we are going out of town tomorrow. So we're gonna do a Caesar salad with some rotisserie chicken. And I got a couple packs of bacon. We got some steaks. As like I said, my mother-in-law will be here next week, so we're gonna grill some steaks, and I think my mom might come over. I've got a few, I think I've got 1 or 2 steaks in the freezer as well. And then these are whole chickens, so they'll have them in like a pack of 2. So I like to cook those in the oven, so got that. Thought we could have that next week. Then I found these shorts. I really like these. This one is a linen blend. These are probably like 5-inch shorts. They're not too short, but they're also not too long. And then these are also a linen blend. These were the same brand, and they're kind of the same style. They have the drawstring and all of that, but they're, I think they're just like cotton. So got those 3 pairs of shorts, and I really like those. I thought they were pretty good buy. They were like $14.99, maybe $14.97. So that was pretty good. And we got some cream cheese, some heavy whipping cream, 3 packs of eggs, because we always do breakfast every morning. And like I said, we've got my mother-in-law coming, so I want to make sure we have plenty of eggs. And if you like to get organic, cage-free eggs, Sam's has a good price on those as well. And then I got a couple packs of Kerrygold butter because we are getting low on butter. And if I have to, I can freeze some, but we pretty much go through butter, so. So Katie and I are just putting up the groceries, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the chicken off the bone on the rotisserie chicken that I got, so it will be ready to use for supper.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can.
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Na 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 na.
Thanks for being here today, friend. We'll see you next time. Bye.